Good morning, guys. Good morning, everybody.
As soon as students hit the parking lot, they immediately know
Riley, have a great day.
that today is going to be a great day. Tri-County North Elementary is all in with PAX, and what a difference PAX is making with the staff and the students.
Definitely. The teachers, I would say the biggest thing is that they all are using the same language for us. And I think that's been a big key for us, is that all the students know what the expectations are, and then just the piece of that they are able to utilize that language, and it counts for every student. It's not just here's what we do in my classroom, it's what we do in all of our classrooms. And so for the teachers, that's been a large benefit. For the students, it's almost amazing to me when I have a whole school gathering, and we've got just under 300 students, and I can use the harmonica and I have silence in less than a second.
With a caring community and dedicated staff, Tri-County North Elementary was primed and ready for PAX. Add the help of the Montgomery County Educational Service Center PAX partner, who is a former teacher trained in PAX and PAX coaching techniques, and well, the transition was smooth.
Because I can't be in those classrooms as often as our partner is, and incorporating and knowing exactly what pieces to add in and what cues and kernels to add in at the times. And so having that all laid out through the Montgomery County SC has been a good piece for us to go ahead and incorporate in, plus having someone there to assist with that process.
The Tri-County North Elementary staff, already trained in PBIS, positive behavior supports, and with a PBIS leadership team in place, well, they were ready to roll out the PBIS plan. With funding provided by the Preble County Mental Health and Recovery Board, the staff at Tri-County North Elementary was also then able to implement PAX, using an implementation science approach that strengthens not only implementation, but sustainability. The PAX framework aligned perfectly.
One of the things that we had gotten from our staff was a need for something school-wide for us to be able to do for behavior. And the information I had received that to work with both PBIS and PAX. And so with the PAX piece of it, we felt like that would give us a piece within the classrooms for teachers, where we felt like the PBIS would be more of the school-wide piece, and I still wanted teachers to have the autonomy in the classroom to do what they want to do in the classroom. So we felt like PAX was a good fit for us with that.
The elementary school staff was eager to try an evidence-based model that would not only give them short-term results, but would provide students with the skills of self-regulation, responsible decision-making, social awareness, self-management, and self-awareness. The practice of self-regulation, well, that's what makes the PAX GBG framework a universal prevention strategy.
I've taught here for 19 years, and I've said for many years that I wish we had some sort, and I don't want to say rules, but like some sort of all-school expectations. I think with PAX, we're all on the same page now. It doesn't matter if you are in the classroom, in the hallway, in the cafeteria, out on the playground. The kids know what's expected of them. They know what it means to be a PAX leader in the hallway, on the playground, in the cafeteria, and you can use it anywhere. And the cafeteria staff can use it with the children. The office staff, like it's everybody's on the same page, because the teachers, they all have their wonderful things they do in the classroom anyway, but this is everyone, no matter where you're at in the school, we're all doing the same thing.
The long-term results of experiencing PAX as a child results in improved community outcomes. Those outcomes include reduced substance abuse, violence, and suicide rates, and improved mental health as adults.
There was this swing yesterday. Do you remember what it was? What are we going to work on today?
walking in on chairs.
Yesterday we had some rocking in the chairs, so today we're going to work on keeping our chairs down.
Through the partnership with the Montgomery County Educational Service Center, the TCN staff received training and materials in PAX, partner support 2.5 days a week, principal and leadership support from the PAX coordinator, and data collection and analysis through Wright State University researchers to gauge the short-term progress and fidelity of the implementation. Hi. Talk about all in with PAX. Following the initial implementation of PAX, the principal provided PAX tools training for bus drivers so they could also speak the same language and understand the tools they could use to assist students with self-regulation skills on the bus. Because as we know, bus drivers are often the first and last contact for many students, and their ability to support social emotional learning is as important for students' mental health and well-being.
I notice a big difference. I think I have a little advantage because I'm here in the school and on the bus. I have the fullest bus of everyone. And I have a lot of kids. I have a lot of troubled kids, a lot of single family home kids, and they need that consistency.
I notice like hallways are so much more pleasant. The way, I mean, even children when nobody's around, you find them walking more because they like being caught being good. Even assemblies, you know, when they come into assemblies, the harmonica works wonders, but everybody is used, so no matter where these kids are going, it's not reteaching. This teacher uses a bell, this teacher says this teacher does that. We do these things in the hallway. Kindergarten through 4th grade, everybody's doing the same thing.